Hello! Another certificate. Shakey's certificate for Shakey's Junior Pizza Master Workshop. Wow. You are now a certified Shakey's Pizza Master. Yung last year nila, ito, Kiddie Crew sa McDo, 2025. May 16 pala yun. Ito, walang date. Walang nakalagay na date. Lagyan na lang natin. May... What is the date today? May 24. 2026. Walang date. Do you like your, Shakey's pizza making?
Yeah.
Si Stan, hindi siya kumakain ng pizza. Pero, you appreciate the pizza now?
Yeah.
Kaya lang, nagkanda palit-palit yung pizza nila. Yung pizza ni Stan, hindi niya nilagyan ng pineapple. Pero, yung nung naluto na yung pizza, may pineapple na. It's a magic.
But there was a K, so that was mine. And my friend.
Saan mo nakita yung K?
I saw the K in the middle.
Yeah.
But
Oh?
there was missing some more pineapple.
Kasi nga, ang dami nyo, kaya nagkanda. Syempre, pag isinalang nila yun dun sa lutuan.
And my friend, she likes pineapples and ham, so she put. But in hers, there's no. And then, when I told her that they can trade, her mom said that baka milaway daw.
Uy, wala!
And I said, no, he doesn't like pineapples. He doesn't have that one.
Uy, wala!
Ayaw na nung mom na makipagpalit.
Ito namang mama.
Dapat pala, nilagyan nyo ng mark yung... Pero,
Kasi dapat isa-isa. Every worker, every pizza.
every worker, every pizza. Oh, you have a new friend now.
No. Just kidding.
He has a
Hindi,
friend
si
too.
ate. Ay, ikaw, anong pangalan ng friend mo?
I didn't know.
Ikaw, ate?
Angelina.
Angelina.
Basta may Angel, pero I don't know if it's Angelina.
Sino
And she
unang,
forgot her pen and her super card and her ice.
sino unang nakipag-usap?
Her.
Buti pinansin mo siya.
Mag-grade 2 pa lang daw siya yata.
Ah, talaga? Ang tangkad niya.
8 years old.
Parang mas matangkad pa yata siya sa'yo eh.
8 years old.
Magasing tangkad lang yata kayo. Mas maliit ba siya?
Bakit mag-grade 2 pa lang siya?
Baka mag-grade 3 or mag-grade 2.
Okay, then.
Okay.
Bro!
Oh, what's your new learning about the pizza making?
How to make pizza.
Yeah, how to make pizza.
Karate pizza.
What else? What did you say?
Thank you.
Thank you to ourselves because we made the pizza.
Oh, sino pang thank you mo?
You. No, us.
Pumunta ako dun kahapon para magpa-register nun. $5.99 yun.
5.99.
Oo, isa. $5.99. Oh,
Oh, okay.
almost 600.
Thank you, Mami.
Almost 600 na yun, no?
I'm a dinosaur. Rawr.
Oh, you say, sino pa kayo?
I'm a
Sino pa kayo magti-thank you?
Rawr.
Thank you, Lord. Kasi meron tayong pambayad doon sa pizza making nyo. Diba?
Ha? Ha?
Kasi
What?
you thank the Lord kasi nakapag pizza making activity kayo this summer.
Okay.
Ate Kela,
Yeah.
diba? Am I
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Oh, Hindi lahat ng kids nakakapag ganun, di ba? You're so
Yeah.
blessed.
So blessed.
But me, why do
Ano?
I have a sty?
Oh, again.
Again.
What did you say?
Thank you.
po.
Thank
Lord.
you. I don't want to show my sty, bro.
How come she's
Okay, that's all for today's vlog.
For today's lang nani.
Thank you for watching. Yun ang kanilang activity, ang kanilang pizza making this summer.
What?
Bukod sa, ano pa yung mga activities niya this summer? BBS,
Swimming.
Vacation Bible School, tapos yung
Swimming.
sa
Swimming.
swimming natin sa Subic. At ito ang last dahil pasukan na. Next
Wait,
week, pasukan nyo
Me,
na.
today is May what?
May 24. O, next week you will, go to class na.
I'm
Kaya-
with my old
Me,
classmates.
make
And I'm gonna-
notebooks already.
Yeah, make notebooks
Huling
already.
hirit sa bakasyon. Ang
Make
pizza.
notebooks already.
Ito na yung huling hirit nyo sa bakasyon. Pizza making activity.
Ah.
Oh. Dapat fun camp. Dapat yung magpa-fun camp kayo sa Jollibee. Kaya lang, naubusan tayo ng slot. 3 days sana yun. Ayun lang. Okay, bye!
Shout out! Shout out kayo sa comments lang.
God bless!
I don't want to show it.
Ganun ka.